Go ahead.
All right, so for this demonstration, we're going to demonstrate how to switch the tank in the middle of a procedure between freezes. So the doctor is freezing, and we notice that the temperature is not dropping as fast as it needs to, so we can come back here to the back, and we realize that our pressure is not where it needs to be. It's very, very low. It's not above the 700 where we like it. So that tells me that we do not have enough pressure, so we need to switch the tank. So we tell the doctor, it's taking too long, your pressure's not high enough, we need to change the tank. So we press the button, he says, okay. We defrost, so we allow the probe to come back up to temperature. Once it's back up to temperature, he can remove the probe and still hold on to it. We can change this back to green, because we always want to be in green when we make this change. So the probe and everything will stay connected. So we'll leave that on the back table, or on the operating table. So we need to turn the gas off on the tank that's empty. And for time's sake, we're not going to change the blanket at this point. We're just going to change out. Oh, I forgot one thing. Got to take the pressure out. There it is in there. If that happens, it's not a problem. It just makes it easier to get this off without all the pressure in it. We make the change to the new tank right away so that the doctor can use this right away. Easier said than done sometimes. Good to see that even the rep has trouble doing this, so that when you guys do it, it's okay. So now it's all the way on. We're going to turn the gas on all the way like we normally do. And then we come back here to the back. We'll notice that the tank is now above 700, and the doctor can go ahead, put the probe in position and begin to freeze again. Okay. Now that the doctor is starting to freeze, we see the temperature dropping. It gets to, go ahead and start that. The temperature's dropping. We'll see that we're going to get a quicker drop to the -40. We know our pressure is still good. Perfect. So now I can take the band and switch it to the other tank while the doctor's working on it. Careful, because it does get warm, because the machine is running. So just want to be careful of that. There we go. We're still freezing there with the doctor. You okay, doctor? Yes, everything's fine. This back on, and you're good to go. So now we have our band back in place. The doctor's still freezing. Once he gets to the end, it'll cycle, defrost, and then you can continue working with what you have there.